DIY Yolande. My name is Yolande, and here I empower and educate women to update their spaces on a budget by using power tools. So as you've read from the title, in today's video, it's the highly anticipated season 3 of SENZA IKHAYA, where we focus on my dining room. Yes, I know I've went MIA. I know I've went MIA where I only uploaded the bookcase or rather bookshelf DIY last year, but then I said, you know what, in 2023 we are finishing what we have started. So today's episode is episode number 2 of season 3 of SENZA IKHAYA, where I focus on my dining room. So as I've mentioned in today's video, we are giving my dining room table a facelift. But to say it is looking drab is an understatement, sis, because it ain't looking cute as it looks at the present moment, and I'm going to show you guys. So the main essence of today's video is just how I'm going to be showing you guys how to upcycle a furniture piece that you already have in your home. Give a piece of furniture that you have in your home a second life, essentially. And my dining room table, which I'll be showing you shortly, was looking very dark, very dingy. I made it when I got it made rather when I was unsure of the look and feel that I want my house to be. So I was like, whatever dark wood that you want to put on there, I told the guy who was making it, just do that, because at that point in time I did not know what I had wanted, but now that I do, I am taking you guys along in seeing me give it a facelift. So upcycling furniture is going to be something we are going to be doing this year, because I know that not everyone has the resources, or rather the financial resources, to make stuff from scratch. So sometimes you just want to give a facelift to the piece of furniture that you already have at your disposal. So let's get into this DIY. Here is what the table looked like. Very dark, no longer matching the look for my dining room space. It's the shopping list of all the supplies we've used. Don't forget to take a screen grab. The initial plan was to sand down the entire table, and that was a tiresome task. So I decided to strip the tabletop using my trusted AEG power tools. What the frame of the table is looking like after I just stripped it apart. So the frame I am definitely keeping. Also the pieces that I removed, I am also keeping those. I'm going to reuse them in whichever other future DIYs I do. Wood, you never throw away wood. You never throw away your wood. Wood can always take up a new form. So this is the frame. As you can see, it's still very much in its previous dark brown, and I don't want the dark brown, so I'm going to be sanding it so that I can paint it. Paint color I'll be using, it's from the brand Fired Earth. And it's a cabinet and furniture 3-in-1. It's an acrylic primer, undercoat and top coat, and the color is super white. Okay, so it seems if I sand down this frame, I'm gonna be here for 500 years. And honestly, I don't have the time nor the energy to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand sand down roughly frame so that the first coat of the paint adheres to it. Then what I'm going to have to do is to do multiple coats of paint. I was aiming to do, by me sanding down, I would have at least done like 3 coats of paint on the frame, but because I am opting to do the quicker and less vigorous I'm opting for the quicker and less vigorous, the more lazier option, actually, to be honest. I'm gonna have to do at least 5 coats of paint in order for the frame to look as pure white as I want it to be. So yeah, let's prep for that. Purchased this from Granny B. It's a paint tin opener. Oh, this is nice. But at least I'm actually impressed by the quality of this paint. Okay, we're off to a good start. Not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy. You heard what I said. I blame you, lover. I'm out of my head. These are the items to screw the top of the table to join it with the base. Some days my feet has me frozen. I'm brave and I'm broken. My soul is wide open. Oh, ngingangen? Sanmona? Ninjan? Ngikhona igama lami nguYolande kuthiwa ezansi ngicele uDumi.
Yebo sis.
Uwentu.
Yeah,
ngibheka ilentonza ipine for i-tabletop. Ngifuna ukwakha i-dining room table for endlini, so ngidinga iplongo la phezulu.
Ufuna into ezifica ibhodi wena ngithi?
Yes, ngiyazi ukuthi la phezulu ngizothola ibhodi. And then mase shuthi ke ngiyasikelwa ke.
Uzofuna uthola lapha ezansi yenduni iprice yalapha.
Alright, for the
Okay.
I'm so clean. Hi, King. So I am now at BUCO to look at pine pieces for my dining room tabletop. Yes, I am back at SENZA IKHAYA season 3, I believe. The dining room makeover. Let's see. Ngakwazi ukumpack ngibuke the other side ukuthi kodwa ke vele yeah, no, you're fine. Kodwa ke ngaphezulu mbonisa umuhle kakhulu yena. Yambo? Muhle kakhulu. Ngeke ngisebenze kakhulu la. Ngesend.
Uyazifaka something.
Ngishaya ngomshini. Okay, so ngizobabuza u21 no 18. Okay. So from BUCO, I got the 21mm shutter ply. It was cut and delivered to me, and the cost was roughly 700 to 800 rand. This included delivery. And they also brought the offcut. So I have extra wood to use on future DIY projects. Don't you dare fall. Don't you dare. Then I'm going to put this baby down. Then I'm going to put the frame on top of it. Then we're going to attach it. Like this, baby. But women, never underestimate us, okay? Yeah, baby. can see here, child, I am struggling to lift the table up alone. It is so heavy. But that's one thing about wood. It is heavy. Struggling to put this baby down. This is wood, real genuine wood. After all, it is heavy, so I'm not gonna put myself or my body in danger. So let's go back and take a look at what this dining room table looked like before. And here is what it looks like after. Enjoyed this video, and I hope that you've been inspired, or rather are excited, just like I am, to give a piece of furniture that you already have at your home a facelift. Whether it's a side table that you don't like how it currently looks, it's flat on the floor, put legs under it, give it a new fresh paint, a new coat of paint, change the color of that dining room table that you currently have, change the color of your TV stand, you know, whatever you can do, whatever you want to do in your space, do it. Give that particular piece of furniture a facelift, and trust me, you will love it. So as you can tell, this beautiful dining room table that has been given a facelift, honey, currently does not have seating. So that is what we will tackle in the next episode of season 3 of SENZA IKHAYA. So in the meantime, don't forget that DIYing is fun, and practice does not make perfect. Practice makes improvement, and don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace. Here are some bloopers. Upcycle a furniture piece that you already have in your home. Hey friend,